Hey guys, it's Bob Harris here, and I've got a really easy guitar song, a fingerstyle guitar song that I want you guys to learn. It's a part of a new course called Easy Beginner Fingerstyle Guitar Songs, and I'm going to have about 15 or 20. I'm working on the course now, but I didn't want you guys to wait. I wanted to get something out to you quickly. This new song is pretty easy, but in order to play it, you will have to have taken the Fingerpicking for Beginners course and the Let's Play Guitars Together course. So if you've taken those two courses and you're ready for some new songs, let's get started with this one now. Let me play it for you, and I hope you're ready, because here we go. All right, so that's obviously just one time through the song. It's normally meant to be played like 3 or 4 times through to be a whole length of a song. But anyway, that's just one time through. We're going to be getting to play this a lot, so no worries with that. Anyway, the first thing I want you to do is go in the description area. You're going to need this. Let me point to the right direction. And in the description area, I have the link to download the study guide. You need the study guide because we're going to be following that, okay? So go ahead and download that first, okay? And you'll see on page 1, just pause this and go ahead and download that and then come back here. On page 1 of the study guide, I have example 1. I have the flow chart that you should be familiar with. And if you're looking at the flow chart here, okay, I have one chord up so far, the first chord, and that's the A5 chord, okay? And on this flow chart, you could see that the picking pattern is near identical to what we've already learned, except, believe it or not, this is a little easier. We're leaving one note out of the pattern, okay? We're leaving if you look on the chart, we're leaving, and I've got that highlighted, we're leaving the and of the 4. We're leaving that out, okay? So the original pattern for the A5 chord is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So the only blank note that was in there was the 1 and. 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so now what we're going to do is with the A5 chord, we're going to leave the last and out, okay? I'll just call it blank when we get to it, okay? So 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 blank, okay? So that's one measure, okay? You can see in the study guide I have this in one measure. So what I want to do is let's just get acclimated with this. Let me play this real slow a few times, and if you've got your guitar, I hope you do, let's just practice this one chord first with leaving that last note out, okay? It's kind of a brain tease because we got used to playing it. We're going to not play it now, okay? So here we go. Let's try this. Ready? 1, 2, nice and slow. 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 blank. 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 Okay? So now what I want to do is I want to do the same thing with the E minor chord. Same exact thing. Okay? So the E minor, which I hope you know by now. Okay? 2 frets up. Okay? With 2 fingers. here we go with this, okay? Same thing. We're going the same pattern, except we're leaving that last 4 blank. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 blank. 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 Okay? The G is the same thing, same exact picking pattern, okay? So if you can do that easy G, that's all we're doing right here. It's just the easy G, you should know that already. So let's just go ahead and try the G chord now. The G chord finger position is exactly the same as the E minor, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 blank. 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 Okay? So, last chord in this thing, and this is your D sus2 chord, or the easy D as I call it, and this should be real familiar. It's the same exact thing that we've learned before, except we have a blank note at the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 blank, 2 and 3 and 4 blank. 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 Okay? So practice that, practice those individual chords. It should be fairly easy, but like I said, it might be a little bit of a mind tease by leaving that last note out there. Okay? So practice that. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our chord chart, okay? And we're going to play this song with all the right measures, okay? And we'll play it real slow and then we'll speed it up a little bit. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. We'll play this whole song together, just the rhythm section, okay? We'll play it at various speeds.